Hello and welcome to this demo of Lydul. Today we will focus on daily reports. So we will start from scratch as usual, and feel free to pause when needed and follow the steps on your own device. So the first step is to go to lydul.com and click on sign up. From there you can create a new account and input your name. You can then authenticate with your phone number. We will send you a unique password via SMS each time you authenticate. And so that way you don't have to remember any password and can still log in to the same account from all your devices. For daily reports, let's select the first option here. Let's select, for example, the 19th. And let's just say that I want to create a daily report for the 19th. I'll click the plus button, select daily reports, and then change the titles and edit the details. I'll then provide the dates. It's on the 19th. And then just create the daily report. Now I can invite my team. So typically either demo employee number 2 and 1 and 2. And then I can also invite other users. And display the QR code. Now Mike here can scan this QR code and access directly the daily report and work with me to collaborate on that daily report. So adding people to Lydul is very easy. Now, the first thing you want to do when entering the daily report is to clock in, and then you can provide some written updates. Or you can choose to record some audio messages that will then be transcribed into the language of your choice. So just make sure to select the right language in the settings. From there, of course, you can add photos and videos. So just snap a few photos and hold the cap button to record a video. And as you can see, the voice message was transcribed at the top, so it makes it very easy for others to read it and also to view this in a PDF format. Now, if you have a lot of people providing updates in a daily report, we do recommend that you create tasks. And so tasks is just a way for people to showcase their work that they completed in an organized way. So here I will just go ahead and create a few tasks. And I can also capture some video, for example, of the work that I completed for the day. And then it is possible to add a few notes. It is then possible to add a few notes as well as voice messages or any form of media that would be useful to understand the completion of the task. I can, for example, log in some time manually. So I will go ahead and log in 2 hours and 5 minutes for an hourly rate of $25 per hour, for example. And then I can also rename this phase so that people understand that this is typically my job. And then someone else will be able to create their own set of tasks and updates for that specific in that specific report. And so maybe this time this would be Mike. From there, it is possible to mark items as done. Of course, an important part is to actually export this entire report as a PDF. And so I will configure the PDF, and Lydul will help me to do this in just a few steps. You can also add your contact information as well as the details of your company. And that's it. Now you have a daily report where all your team was able to provide their updates for the day. So if you haven't done so already, now you can go to Lydul.com and create your own daily reports.